Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the simple easy peasy makeup look that I've been doing these days. So let's get started. Since it's the winters, I'm using the PAC Strobe Cream to give me a glowy base to begin with, and I'm just going to make sure I blend it right into my skin. And then for color correcting, I'm using this darker concealer from Kryolan. On days when I don't want to do any foundation, I just apply this and I'm good to go. But for the sake of this video, I'm also showing you how I am going to incorporate a little bit of foundation as well. So I'm using the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation from L'Oreal. I like this foundation, and since it's a matte foundation, I used strobe cream in the beginning. So once I've blended this foundation using the white sheet brush, I'm using a little bit of concealer, and as you can see it's a little more yellow, so it will help brighten up my under eye area. And I'm not using it like all across my face, using it on my under eye area. Now I'm quickly going to set my face with very little powder. I'm using the sugar translucent powder, and I'm barely tapping it on my face. Now I'm using this trio from Sugar again. I'm just using the blush to give some color to my face, and I'm going to apply it generously. And then from the same palette, I'm just using a little bit of highlighter. I am applying that on the apples of my cheeks, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, and from the same palette I'm just using a little bit of bronzer just to contour a little bit, like just to define my nose. And then I'm using this Miniso eyebrow pencil to just fill in my eyebrows. I have not done any bronzing or contouring, keeping it very light and fresh. And then I'm just taking the same bronzer on a white sheet blending brush and just applying that all over my eyes, and just a little bit on my under eye area as well. So once that is done on both the eyes, I'm going to move on to a little bit of the highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. It's a very simple eye makeup look, nothing too dramatic, but just to give yourself a polished look, just a little bit of something. Yeah, next I'm just using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one is, I think, Fawn from the metallic range. I'm not sure of the exact shade. I'm going to put it down. Just going to apply that on my lips, and basically apply eyeliner, mascara, and this is like such a quick and easy look to do. It's very everyday kind of a look, and anybody can do it. It's very quick to do. Also, I'm winging my eyeliner. You can just choose to apply a regular eyeliner without any wings, and you can even apply a little bit of kajal on the under eye area. And this is the quick look. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Bye bye.